Okay, so I will upload this images the server, and then we'll go to the project. Let's go to the project. I have to log in. Okay, let's go to site information. Okay, we'll change the information now. So you are having the web developer, and this is the description. This is your description, and this is your Twitter URL. This is LinkedIn. This is Facebook URL. And you don't have Google Plus, right? Okay. Okay, so this is your information.
Yeah, just leave it like Google.
Okay, and your image will be here. Right now, we'll put local, but when we go live, we will use that image. Let's see from image. Let's update it, and then we'll see how is the team looking. Oh, this looks good. Let's try to change this one. Okay, let's change the image of this Tamil. And we'll update the record. Okay, now it's coming correctly. So this description is too much, so we need to increase the height also a little bit more. Otherwise, when new developer will come here, it will create a little problem. Okay, right now it's fine. So this is your LinkedIn one, right? LinkedIn URL is not tied to the backend. I think so.
Yeah.
No, this one, okay, LinkedIn is not tied. All others are tied, I think. See, this is Facebook. Facebook is going correctly.
Yes.
Google Plus is not there.
Yeah, my name is already like under a level. You see, it's not in the same level as you and Carrie's. So it maybe take more space for the other person who is under me.
Yeah, so we will increase the height
Yeah.
of overall height. So it will be gap little
Oh,
bit, but overall height will increase. So each
I
will
see. See, the circle is more bigger.
be your circle or his
Yes.
circle.
Both me and his circle is more bigger.
But mine is also like.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so maybe LinkedIn URL we will fix it some other time. Let's see what other things are pending.
Johnny's.
So when I create religion, I want to send the email. So let's do that part. So whenever I create the religion, so this is the create religion part. So we can see here is here is a statement where I create the religion. So I can copy this if condition, and I will put this if condition here, and I will then send the email to the admin that religion is created. So I will say mail, and I will say to. So for example, right now I will put, I can take the information from this also, from the site information. I have one thing called as site admin email. Let's put my email in it. Site admin email is my email address. So I will take this site email address. So I need one more record set, RS site information, and I will put the connection. I will choose the sites, and I will say site ID is equal to entered value 1. So I know this site is 1. And now I will take the site information details in adding in the mail. So 2 will be site admin email. This one is site admin email. This is my 2 address. And then I will say subject new religion created with name. I'll put the name of the religion. That is this name. And then there will be message. So message I will write in separate variable, and here will be from. So from will be, I will say info at my religion dot tk, for example. This is email, so I will put less than sign and greater than sign around the email, and here I will put the name who is sending info. Let's create the message. Now message will be equal to, I'll create in the single quote, and I will enter, and I'll say dear admin, new new religion has been created on website my religion. So I will give the link of admin page so that admin can directly go to this page, and then they can fix it. Or since I have the local one, I don't want to give the URL now. Just I'll say new religion is created. Let the admin goes to there and fix it. So here regards. That's it. One is the message. Let's say new religion will be created with name, and name I will put this one. So I have to put it in the curly bracket. Once I create the new religion, right now it's local, so it will not work. Okay, 153 line is showing error. Okay, so I cannot use, let's not use the curly bracket. Instead of curly bracket, we will use concatenation, and concatenation will be, I will say slash single quote dot religion name and single quote. So it's purely I'm writing the variable by concatenating the string. So here is I'm ending this single quote, then I'm putting the concatenation, that is dot. I'm putting the variable name, then concatenation, then I'm starting again the single quote, and I'm putting double quotes so that it should come in the double quotes. So but this should once it is inserted, then only I have to go here. But the problem here is it is inserting and then it is redirecting to other page. So let's move this redirection part to my mail function, so that after sending the mail, I should be able to redirect to another page. Also, this is something only specific to this if condition. I can take this and put it inside the if condition. I don't need to put it every time the user loads the page. It should only happen when user submits the form with the correct fields. And I'll delete this bottom part because it will give error if I'm putting in the if condition. So now everything is same. When I create a religion, right now since it will try to send the mail, but it will not go. So it will give some error maybe now. But when it goes to live, it will work fine. It's trying to send the email, so it's taking time. And then it's saying your region successfully created. Email will not go here because it's a local and it's not going. Similarly, when I go to the create new views, it should be create new verses. Let's go and fix it. Let's go to home, and instead of views, we say verses. Let's go back and refresh it. I will create new verses. Now, whenever I create a new verses, then also admin should get the email. So let's do that again. I am on which page? I am on the views new. So let's put this code there also. So this is my code. For this, I have to change little bit when I go to the views new. Okay, views page does not redirect to the new page. So I will just say when user will click submit, I will take the information, site information, and I'll say new verse has been created with the title, with the view description like this. So this is a new verse has been created on website this, and I'll also say which religion, and I'll take the religion from this place, this place. So I will also say on the website my religion with the name this, with the description this, and for religion, we'll put the religion name, and religion name comes here with this one. Okay, it will go down. Religion name. I will put concatenation sign, dot sign, and here also dot sign. It's saying new words has been created with description this for the religion, this one, because once the verse is created, admin should get it to approve it. Otherwise, it will not approve it. Religion, religion, this is the religion. Okay, this is the religion. Since the religion part is created here, so let's put this if condition below it. Otherwise, we won't be able to see it. Here. So after first we will insert it here. Let the religion call here, and we will call here the site information, and we will send the email. And once we send the email, we will be here on this page only. Here I will create one message variable. Message variable will say new words created successfully. It is under admin approval. So please wait for 24 to 48 hours to get it approved. Okay, so this one message I will show to the user when user will submit it. And here I will say if not empty message, that means if message is there, then show following description. So I will show something when message is there. So to show something, I will go to the Bootstrap and I will take the alert. So let's go to the Bootstrap components. Let's go to the alert and we'll copy one of the alert. Here I will put it and in here I will show the message. So whenever user will put the new verse, it will go and send the email and then it will say new verse created successfully. It is under admin approval. So please wait for 24 to 48 hours to get it approved. This same message I will put in the religion also. I will comment this mail because anyhow it is not going now. I will enable it when I will go to the prod. Same thing I will put it in the religion confirmation. Here I will say it is under admin approval. So please wait for 24 to 48 hours to get it approved. And I will also comment in the religion one. I will comment the mail part for now. Let's check it, at least the messaging part. Okay, let's check it now. I will create a new. Okay, there's some error, line number 134. Here it is error. I have to put semicolon. I'll create a new verse. It is showing new verse created successfully. It is under admin approval, so please wait for 24-48 hours to approve it. So if I go to verses, I get this one as 0, I will approve it, and then it will go to religion. If I go to this religion, I'm able to see the verse. So this is about sending the mail. Let's see what is pending. Oh, one thing. Okay, this one is pending. My created religion. So this one has some not good headings. Let's do that. Change in the headings. So I will say my religions in the my religion. I don't need religion ID, user ID. I don't need to show religion name, description, created, date, and religion status. I will bold it. Let's refresh it. I don't want to show status like 110. I should show approved or pending or blocked, and I don't want to show even deleted. So let's see what is the condition for showing this my religion. Here I'm not putting any condition. So let's go to the advanced one. And here I will say and I will take the status. What is the name of the status? It's religion status and say where. I'll delete this table name because it's only one table. Status is less than 3. So I'll show because 3 is deleted one. I don't want to show that. All below the 3 that is blocked, pending and approved, I want to show it. I'll say okay. And here in the status one, I will say I will use switch statement maybe, and I'll put a status. And here I will say in the switch statement, I will say case number 1, it is 1 or 0. So 0 will be, I will say echo pending, and I'll say break. I'll say case 1, echo approved and break. And case 2, I'll say echo, and here I'll say block, and I'll say break. And default will be nothing because I don't have any other condition. So if I refresh, there is some error 197. This is error here, echo, it should be semicolon. Okay, so it's approved, pending. It's saying like that one. So I should also be able to edit it. So let's create the edit page. So I'll create one page called as my religion edit.php page, and in this I will attach the template my religion, and here I'll say edit my religion. Before doing any edit part, we know we have to create a record set for edit. I will say rs edit, and it will be in the religions. I'll choose the religions one, where user ID or where religion ID equal to whatever I pass in the URL. I will choose that religion ID because I'm editing particular religion ID. I'll go to the advanced tab. I also want to choose the user ID because I don't want anyone to edit my religion. So I'll say user ID equal to call user, and I will create one call user variable. And here I will give the default value of -1, and the runtime value will be session user underscore ID. So user should be the owner of the religion. That's what I want to mean that. Otherwise, anyone can put the religion in the URL and he will try to edit it, and it will should not allow that one. So now I will put this one, and then what other condition I have to put, and maybe I can say status. Let's put the status should be less than 3. Their status is less than 3. So if it's more than 3 or more than 3, we should not even allow to edit it. I'll say okay, and now I will create one form. Here I have to say container. I have to put everything in the container. And here I will edit the religion, and I will also do rs of religion so that I should be able to see the details of the religion. I can show it from this edit also. I don't need any other one. Edit religion for, I will put or I will say only edit religion, and then I'll create a form. Let's insert it, application object, update record, and record update form. If I use this form, I need to edit the form again. So let's go to the create religion and take the form from there. This form is already, we built it. I don't need to create another form. And I will say this is my form. What is this field name? Insert. I need to delete this insert because insert is only for the insert part. This is user ID, whichever is logged in. I don't need this user ID because user ID is already there. I don't want to change the user ID. And here I will say update record. Or I'll say update religion. And each field I will click and I'll go to the edit part and I'll choose the field uh, value, default value. I'll choose a name. Name will be this one. Here I'll go and I'll choose here instead of religion type, I will say religion type. And here I will create one more field that will be the religion ID. So this whole table is not inside the form tag. Let's create a form tag and I'll put that again inside the form tag. And this field, hidden field will be religion ID. And let's take the religion ID from the record set. And now I will update the form in the following way. The form is there, only I need to apply the PHP function to update this form. So I will go here and I'll say click the update record. In the update record, I will say connection, then I'll say religion. I don't want to update this. I want to update religion name, description. I don't want to, let's say I want to update religion status also, because once user try to edit the religion, I want to make the status to pending again, because if he has put initially it has created the religion, but then he changes the name, which is not good. So I need to update the status again. For now, for today's sake, we will not change the status. Let it be whatever it is. Let's keep it same for now, and everything is okay now. And after edit, I will send the user back to my religions. And I'll click OK. And here this one will be H1 tag. Let's check it now. So I want to create one link here which will send me to that page. So let's go to the my religion page and add one link. Edit religion. And this edit link, I will say, I will click it here and I will choose the edit page. And I will pass the religion ID as a parameter. And I'll go to the code level code view and just I will drag this. I will take this. Somehow it is not coming here, so I will just take it manually and put it in the PHP tag. And instead of name, I will put ID. If I refresh it, I can see edit religion. I can go here and edit it. So somehow it is not going to this page. It's saying my, let's see what is the file name. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, let me edit it. But I don't see the values. I should see the values. Something is wrong. Here I don't see the values. So let's see why I cannot see the values. Let's echo the query. Okay, I'm getting this query. User ID is coming -1. The reason is once I put the session user ID, I should have session start in the top. So I should create one. I should create one server behavior that will be restrict access to this page, and if it is not, and if it is not logged in, we will send the user back to maybe home page because login page is gone. So let's send the user back to home page. The login page is gone. Login is in the navigation, so we don't have login page. Or we can send to restrict page so that user can log in. Right now it's fine. We will send to home page. Okay, still now it's not coming. It's not user ID. It's user ID. Okay, now I'm getting all the details. Okay, so I will just change the religion to 2, and now my religion is 2 here. Let's change this to different one. Now this is also changed to different one. So pretty much our site is now over. I will add Johnny's information here so you can see. And so site has few. I will check this whole site again this weekend, and maybe I may need to clean up some of the pages, which we will do next week. Next week we are starting the React project. So after the React class at 10 o'clock or 10:15, we will sit 5-10 minutes on this website to clean up little bit stuff. This is almost ready, but we need to push it to the production. We need to change the about page, which we didn't did for life reminder also. So we need to update this text description. We need to do small cleanups on the page, which we will do next week after the class. So maybe let's say class end on 10 or 10:15, we will do 5-10 minutes to fix this site, and we will upload it on the server, and we will then make it live next week. Is that okay? Any questions?
Can I ask you a